By now, the universe should be crawling with alien civilizations. Not one or two, but millions. Civilizations older than ours, smarter than ours, some that should have colonized entire galaxies by now. And yet, the universe is completely silent. No signals, no visitors, no evidence. This isn't science fiction. It's a real mystery that has puzzled scientists for decades. And the answer might be more disturbing than aliens themselves. The universe is massive. There are over 100 billion galaxies. Each galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars, and many of those stars host planets. If life is even slightly common, the numbers suggest there should be millions of advanced civilizations out there, which raises the terrifying question: if alien life should be everywhere, why do we see nothing? This question has a name. It's called the Fermi Paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who first asked it in 1950 during a casual lunch with colleagues at Los Alamos. Fermi asked the simple yet haunting question: where is everybody? No alien probes, no megastructures, no signals, just silence in the universe. And physicist Michael Hart later calculated that even a slow-expanding civilization could colonize the entire Milky Way in a few million years. A blink of an eye on a cosmic timescale, yet nothing. Some scientists call it the Great Cosmic Silence. One hopeful explanation is that we're just too early. Maybe life takes billions of years to reach intelligence, and maybe most civilizations haven't reached that stage yet. Physicist Adam Frank points out that the universe is 13.8 billion years old, but complex life might only emerge on certain planets under rare conditions. So maybe we're among the first. Sounds comforting until you realize some stars are billions of years older than our sun. Someone should have beaten us to the punch. Now we enter the terrifying territory, the Great Filter. Proposed by Robin Hanson, it's the idea that somewhere between simple life and galaxy-spanning civilizations, there's a barrier almost no one survives. This filter could be natural, such as asteroid impacts, supernova, or runaway climate. It could also be technological, such as self-destruction via nuclear war, uncontrolled artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, or ecological collapse. And here's the frightening part. We don't know if the Great Filter is behind us or ahead of us. If it's behind, we're lucky. If it's ahead, history shows that advanced civilizations eventually wipe themselves out. Another unsettling idea is that maybe advanced civilizations are deliberately quiet. This is called the dark forest hypothesis, inspired by physicist Liu Cixin's sci-fi concept. The universe might be like a dark forest. Every civilization is a hunter. No one wants to reveal themselves for fear of being destroyed. In this scenario, our radio signals aren't greetings. They might be invitations to danger. And if that's true, our attempts to reach out could be reckless. Or maybe aliens do exist, but we just don't recognize them. Astrophysicist Sarah Seeger points out that life could be post-biological, artificial, or existing in ways we don't understand. In that case, the universe isn't empty. We're just blind, like ants trying to detect Wi-Fi. This raises a chilling thought. Intelligence might be everywhere, but it's invisible to us. And then there's the strangest explanation. What if the universe is a simulation? Philosopher Nick Bostrom suggests advanced civilizations could simulate realities. In that case, aliens might be unnecessary, deliberately removed, or simply not rendered yet. The silence of the universe could be by design, which means the real aliens could be us, or whoever created us. So which explanation is correct? We don't know, but every explanation says something unsettling. Civilizations may not last. The universe may be dangerous. Intelligence might be extremely rare, or reality itself may not be what it seems. The scariest answer isn't that we're alone. It's that we might not be special, or worse, we might be next. Every search we conduct, every signal we send, could be a question we're not ready to answer. The universe should be full of life, but it isn't. And until we understand why, that silence is louder than any signal we could receive. Maybe aliens exist, maybe they don't, or maybe the universe is more mysterious, more dangerous, and more thought-provoking than we can even imagine. One thing is certain, the Fermi Paradox isn't just a question about aliens. It's a question about us, about intelligence, about survival, about the future. And the next time you look up at the stars, ask yourself, are we alone or just not ready to know? If you found this eye-opening, subscribe to M37 Studios. Thank you for watching.